getting ready to season up the prime rib. And he's got his recipe here. What is this recipe from, honey?
I think it's a Traeger recipe.
Okay.
So it's the Traeger grill manufacturer. I don't use the actual recipe other than just the cooking times.
The cooking times, okay. It's still pretty early in the morning. It's only 10:30. He's technically working today, but he's home for now. So he's just going to get the prime rib seasoned up. It's not going to go on yet. While that is getting going, we've got our pies here that I'm about to bake. They just go in the oven for like an hour and a half or so, I think. And then those will be ready for our Christmas Eve dinner. But happy Christmas Eve, guys. Alright, so the pies have just come out of the oven and they look beautiful. It is noon now. I just spent the last, I don't know, 15-20 minutes working in my budget planner, getting all of the bills paid for the week since it's Tuesday. And now I can put that stuff away and just focus on Christmas Eve and enjoying the day. We have our little fireplace on, courtesy of YouTube. We've moved the table out of the way so we have wide open space here. I'm going to sweep really quickly. But we'll be able to open all our presents in the morning with plenty of space. And also just be able to, mill around, relax without worrying about the table getting in the way. So I'm going to straighten up this, make it look a little pretty, put away my sinking funds and the rest of my budgeting stuff. And then the rest of the day will be spent with family.
This is mine now.
No.
Alright, everything has been cleaned up. And we're ready. So now I just have to finish up with my editing, and the rest of the day can be spent with family. Oh, it looks like there's something underneath the couch. Robbie! I think there's a sock or something we missed right up there under the couch. There, now it's perfect. Ish.
Okay, so we have our wood pellet grill here, and on the grill we have about a 9-pound prime rib and our sweet potatoes for baked sweet potatoes. That's going to cook at 250 for around 4 hours to come out to medium rare. And hopefully the potatoes will be done by then. I'm not quite sure on those.
Okay, so video editing is done. We're just waiting on everything to upload, and work for the day is done. Eric is getting ready to go and get his mom to join us for Christmas Eve. Robbie's just tidying up the kitchen a little bit so that we can continue to prepare our meal. And Austin is working on a coding project that he's been working on all day.
Those are appetizers. Cookie, cranberry sauce, olives, and sweet pickles.
Cranberry sauce is not an appetizer.
Yes.
That needs to go in the fridge.
Goofball.
Mom, you ate 6 cookies. Good job. I would have did 12 cookies, but
I had to make sure I got some.
my sweet cookies, they're my favorite.
When your coding project is all done, will you show it to the vlog? Mm-hmm. You think you'll finish it today?
Maybe.
Okay.
I'm about 3/4 of the way done. So,
good.
Yeah.
pancake chef, best believe it.
Why are you being so careful?
Because I'm not going to get to open another one for so many hours.
If I can figure out how to open the box,
We're not keeping the box.
I still need
Yeah,
to
but
know
you
how to
couldn't get it
open
open. I know what pajamas you got.
Okay, so just a red shirt. Fine with that. That's a big red shirt.
Not big. Now, by the time it gets washed and dried. Well, those might be kind of short by the time
Your
it
name
gets
on
them out with them long legs.
Hence the reason that you got sweatpants, because that's all you ever want to wear.
I'm going to go change.
Stop it.
Hopefully they'll fit you.
They look short.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What are you doing? You're a goofball.
Stop. You're going to stretch it out.
That's why I'm not doing
Go put them on. Let's see if they fit you.
It's better than pajamas because you can wear it
I'm comfy.
anytime.
Yeah.
I'm wearing this for the
If
next
you guys
year.
have nothing to wear, you can always wear them.
Looks like a good fit for you, huh?
Don't look like pajamas.
Shirt's stretchy,
Good.
so it won't rip. Now I'm going to bed.
No, you're not. You're gonna pose for
it.
pictures.
I have to staying up on it.
Let's see, Austin.
Yeah, but I'm tired. I'm tired.
How do they fit?
Good.
Is the shirt too big?
It's a little long, but it's
It's a
fine.
men's.
It's pajamas.
It's a men's shirt.
It's gonna shrink a little.
And
It's just a little long.
and the pants.
They fit great.
Let me see the bottom.
Mine
Oh yeah,
fit better than yours.
they're like perfect.
Mine are like genie pants. They bunch up.
Got
No.
MC Hammer pants.
No, they're genie pants.
So when do we get to wake you up in the morning?
As soon as we wake up.
I wake up.
After I make mom and
6 a.m.?
dad coffee.
Not 6 a.m.
After
5
I
a.m.
make the coffee.
No.
Gotta ask your dad. I'm fine.
Naturally wake up on my own.
So never.
All right, Grinch.
This is the most.
We wake you up every year no matter what
Enough
you
of this,
say.
they won't be able to wake me up.